Just put mothballs in the coffee, and you will never have this problem again. I'm sure it will solve your problem with flies and mosquitoes forever. To start our tip today, we will use a plastic bag, and then we will also use naphthalene, being one of the main items for this tip. Just a small amount is enough. We must now use a hammer to crush the naphthalene completely. We have to do this until it turns into a powder, being the exact form for use in this tip, and then we will reserve for the preparation. We will use a small cup or container. The second item for this tip is the coffee. We must put in the container until almost complete, the same way I'm doing in the video. Now we will also add the naphthalene that we separated previously, and then mix well. Using this tip, the smell of coffee is the main against insects. Never again had problems when using like this. In my house, I'm sure you have never used coffee in this way. You will be surprised by the result. To finish, we will complete with a small layer and coffee on top. My friends visited me and asked me why I had a cup of coffee and smoke coming out, and after explaining the positive effect of this tip in my house, they all were surprised and asked me to teach and keep all the flies and mosquitoes away. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mary McHugh from Ireland. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now with a toothpick, we must make a hole in the middle of this mixture of coffee and naphthalene. And this is where the secret is for this tip to be so effective. In this hole, we will also use a small wick, the same used in candles. And after completing this way, we just light and let it burn. The smell that is generated, in addition to perfuming the environment, is fully responsible for preventing the entry of insects into your home. I myself use in the bathrooms and even near windows. By completely burning the wick, it will remain lit inside the coffee, thus keeping in action for a long period. Tell me later if you got the desired result. For the use of this mixture in your home, if you prefer, you can even repeat this tip using a matchstick. It also works perfectly. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.